sustained at 21 miles an hour. Satellite radar showing the clouds that we had starting out early this morning, but that has quickly gone away, and now we have basically nothing but sunshine. It's gorgeous outside. Well, overnight tonight, eventually those clouds will increase again. So I expect tomorrow to be more partly cloudy. A lot more cloud cover in the morning, and then we see decreasing clouds in the afternoon. Now we're going to take you to Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, I think we're going to see a lot more cloud cover. Mostly cloudy, and we stay mostly cloudy during the day, but we also stay pretty much rain-free during the day. It's not really going to be until late Wednesday evening, Wednesday night when rain and storms start to move into North Texas. But this is going to be midnight Thursday, and notice just how far west those storms are, from Wichita Falls down to Breckenridge down to Eastland. So the Metroplex dry during that time, but well after midnight. Now we're at 5 o'clock in the morning, and most of the Metroplex will at least be seeing some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. By about 7 o'clock, it looks like the intensity of these rain and storms comes down a little bit, and then during the day there's going to be a low chance of rain, but it's not a complete washout. So we're not talking about rain all day every day by any means. This is Friday morning. We look dry. We do look cloudy. Later in the afternoon there's a low chance of rain, but by early evening it's going to be 6 o'clock Friday evening, and now you can see the rain and storms to our north and west trying to move into the Metroplex, but the higher coverage really comes into Friday night into Saturday morning. Now, during the day Saturday, we will still have some rain around. This is going to be at about 11 a.m., and notice quickly by about 1 o'clock or so, most of the rain well to our south and east. So I think later in the evening we start to dry out, which is going to set us up for a really nice Easter Sunday. So I think Easter Sunday looks great. Lots of sun, no rain chances, but temperatures will be a little bit below normal. So looking at the rainfall coverage for the next several days. Tomorrow, we're dry. Wednesday during the day, I think there is a very low chance of an isolated shower or sprinkle, but by Wednesday night, we've got about a 60% coverage. During the day Thursday, only a 30% coverage. Also during the day on Friday, a 30% coverage, but that coverage will go up a little bit more, maybe Friday night to Saturday morning. But during the day Saturday, we still have that 40% coverage of rain and storms. And then by Sunday, it's out of here. So looking at your Easter weekend forecast, again, on Friday during the day, there's only going to be a 30% coverage of rain. So I think a lot of people will end up staying dry until we get into late Friday evening, Friday night. Saturday, this is primarily going to be an early day event. I think in the evening, everything moves out. And then for your Easter Sunday, temperatures in the upper 60s with lots of sun. So if you have an Easter egg hunt this weekend, Easter Sunday will be your day. Tonight, increasing clouds, temperatures drop into the low 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're looking kind of a mix of sun and clouds. It's still going to be very warm. Temperatures make it into the mid 80s. It's also going to be windy. We stay windy on Wednesday. Again, during the day, lots of clouds, but the rain chances, that rain coverage goes up quite a bit for Wednesday night. On Thursday, we have the other chance of rain, and then by the time we get into Friday, there's still a low chance of rain. So we have several chances of rain and storms, but again, we're not expecting rain all day, every day. Looking at the second half of that 14-day, which areas are best timing of when we expect more widely spread scattered showers and thunderstorms that could produce some gusty wind and small hail, but the threat of any severe weather across North Texas, that remains very low. So just stay updated with the latest forecast and make sure you have the WFA Plus app on your TV. Now, this is our Fort Worth camera. We do have lots of sun. Temperatures have made it back into the mid 80s today with a breezy south wind. We started out with quite a bit of cloud cover early this morning. That has quickly gone away, left us with nothing but sunshine. It's gorgeous. I think we stay very clear this evening, but eventually I think after midnight tonight, clouds start to increase. So by tomorrow morning, we are looking at partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 60s. We return into the mid 80s tomorrow, upper 80s on Wednesday. As rain chances begin to move in, temperatures begin to go down. So this weekend, 70 degrees on Saturday. By Easter Sunday, temperatures down in the upper 60s. We're going to show you those rain chances in just a moment. Here's the latest traffic with Stacia.
All right, thanks.
Saturday morning. So we have several chances of rain and storms, but we think that the highest coverage of rain and storms will be more in particular talking about Wednesday night into Thursday morning and also Friday and into Saturday morning. Now, we are expecting scattered showers and storms that could produce some gusty wind and maybe some small hail, but that threat for any severe weather, that is going to stay very low. This is our DBU camera. We've got lots of sun, temperatures in the low 80s, satellite radar very clear, very quiet, but eventually overnight tonight, I think clouds increase and temperatures drop down into the low 60s to start out tomorrow morning. Here's the latest traffic with Stacia.